What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the AutoVlog YouTube channel. We actually starting this one at night, which is extremely rare for me. I always start my videos in the morning or either in the afternoon because of course, lighting. Lighting isn't all that great, but I wanted to do this video because we just pretty much got our first real snowfall. We got, minor amounts in November, but now it is January, actually January 12th, and we got about an inch or so today. And I've been wanting to shoot a video of how to remove snow from your truck, car, whatever vehicle it is you have without actually touching it. I mean, when you remove it, many people use, let's say, a big brush like this or like a squeegee. Either way, you have to touch the paint of your vehicle. Now, I've done car washing videos before of how to wash your car without touching it, and just sort of how to preserve the paint of your vehicle. But now we're talking about snow. I get a lot of questions from people regarding, how do you keep your car clean in the winter? What's a proper way to wash your car during the winter? And I don't really have a specific method for that because I usually turn my water off over there during the winter because it gets so damn cold. So I can't really have the water on because it'll freeze my pipes, and no one wants their pipes to freeze. So usually what I do is go to a touchless car wash that is close to where I live here and basically just spray the car off, and then I carefully dry it off with maybe a microfiber towel, or I air dry it. Oh, look at that, the light went out. Or I air dry it. I'll bring something like this, and that is exactly what we're going to use to remove snow. Watch this, it's perfect. So first we're going to walk up to the hoopty here and start with that vehicle. You could tell it is covered in snow, and all you need is a proper leaf blower. Look at that. It's super simple. So we got about half the car done. Just got this side to take care of. And look at that, very easy way to get the thickest layer of snow off of your car. Now, it is about 28 degrees out here. So, I mean, if you get into temperatures below zero, that kind of thing, yeah, I mean, it's going to be thick ice on here, but still, you can get the surface snow off the car and then basically just start it and let your defroster do the rest and take care of the ice if you don't want to touch even your windshield, your rear windshield, or your side windows. Well, good morning. Yes, last night, after shooting the first part of this video, we got even more snow. So I figured I would stop filming and continue this video today, now that we have some better lighting. This is going to be fun. I'm excited. Now it is currently about 27 degrees. It's going to go up to about 32, and then we're going to get even more snow today. So yeah, this method is definitely coming in handy. So yesterday we did the little hoopty here. You see it's covered in snow again. But now, when we have better lighting, we're going to do the Raptor. As this is a lot bigger vehicle, it's going to be a little more work, although it's not going to be hard work with this method. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I just blew all the snow off. I mean, we could do a more precise job, of course, but look at that. Look at that. Now, let's say you're too lazy to do this on your own, even though this method is super duper simple. You can actually get your kids to do this for you, and they're going to think it's fun. Come on. All right, go.
Hello, my friend.
So is that fun or what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you're you know, obviously a little short. So the Raptor and Mikey's truck is probably too big, but you could easily do a car of this size, right?
I still want to try them.
No, you can't do that. Mikey's gonna do that one.
No, I want to
Yeah.
try a
No,
little
no, no,
one.
no, no.
I want to see.
No, you can't reach, honey. All right, come on, let's try this. All right, so she wants to try the Raptor. So go ahead, Cindy, go. Yeah! Yeah, you're not really tall enough for that one, honey, but you did good on the Fender. Hey, thanks so much for helping me.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay, so since Sydney can't really reach, I'm gonna do the roof of the Raptor. Watch this.
Hello, my friends.
Freaking awesome. Sydney. Guess I was standing in the wrong direction of the wind. So like we talked about yesterday, there will be a layer of ice here, depending on how cold it is, of course. But the defrost inside of the vehicle will easily take care of that. But look at this, I just blew all the snow off. This is by far the simplest method I've ever used to clean a car or clean snow off of a car. We should probably be blowing in this direction. So look at that. We got a Ford Raptor cleaned with a leaf blower.
I'm not a Ford Raptor.
So a normal sized car is, I mean, under a minute you can blow it completely off. A bigger truck, probably 2 or 3 minutes. I mean, I've been messing around with the camera and the tripod and her.
This is really dope. Give it a thumbs up.
Cheers. Sydney. Look at you, cutie. All right, so we got 2 cars. We even got our front porch all blowed off. Sydney's all snowy here.
Because I fell down about 700 million times. I'm going to do it again on purpose.
Oh my God. Hey, you know what? You don't have enough clothes on you to be doing that. You got to go inside. Like, look at you.
You're a snow monster!
All right,
I'm a
hold
Yeti.
on. Okay. So if the snow on your driveway is not packed down yet and it's still kind of soft, you can even do this on your driveway. So really, all you got to think about is, you know, don't get too close to the vehicle so you don't rub up against it with your leaf blower. We don't want to scratch the paint because that's what this whole thing is about, being able to get snow off your car without touching it. So what we're going to do is start the truck up and let the defrost do its thing. And there we have it. The defroster has definitely done its thing. So Ford Raptor free of snow, check. and I haven't even touched the truck. Now, of course, it goes without saying, you see it's ice on here. Not super thick, but you know, I mean, I don't think that's what people care about either, getting off of their car. You know, if they wake up in the morning and it's filled with snow, that's what they want off. And I think we've accomplished that. However, we do have my truck to take care of as well. The bed gets covered as well, of course. You guys get the point, but the battery's getting kind of low. It all depends on how strong your leaf blower is, of course. Now, this is in no way a paid product placement for this leaf blower. I think it's called Ego. I got this at Lowe's. It's a 20 watt or 56 watt. So there we have it. That's what I'm using. I'm not getting paid to say this in any way. I think it works with pretty much any leaf blower, depending on what kind of power it has, of course. So we've done one F-150, one Raptor, one piece of junk hoopty, all with a leaf blower, and all of them done without even touching the vehicle. So guaranteed no scratches on the paint from getting snow off of your car with, let's say, a brush or any kind of squeegee of any sort. You know what? We could do the awning as well. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I think you get the point. You can use this method for a lot of stuff in the winter that is covered with snow. Now, I specifically showed it on my vehicles, except for the one sitting in the garage, of course. So now what I think we should do to end this video is a 5-liter V8 F-150 cold start, and I'm going to let this thing defrost as well. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Leave a comment down below if you started using this method after you saw this video. Let me hear your success stories. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, and you want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.